Okay, balance practice and controlling the throttle. Up. Basically just do 5 meters and then you stop, use the brakes, both of them. Stop. Comfortable with the balance of 5 meters, you can add it further distance like 10 meters and so on. It's important to use the brakes. Don't use the legs to stop. Use the brakes. Okay, when you are comfortable with your balance, you can put your legs on the footrest like this and go just like that. Okay, that's the balance practice. You can practice like 10 minutes per day. If you're very beginners, I suggest you to master this technique first, then you can go to another skills or technique like turning and U-turn. Okay, thanks for watching, and Vorhesz sign off.